Hello and welcome to Top Luxury Living, the best YouTube channel that takes you into the luxurious lives of the rich and famous from around the world. In this video, we give you a comprehensive inside tour of President Donald's $100 million penthouse at Trump Tower. Donald John Trump, born in June 14, 1946, is the 45th and current President of the United States. Trump was born and raised in New York City and received a BS degree in economics from the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania. He took charge of his family's real estate business in 1971. Take a look at Donald and Melania Trump's $100 million penthouse at Trump Tower. Feel free to tell us which part of the house you like the most in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on top luxury living. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.